Napahawak na lang sa dibdib ang player na to sa ginawa ni Pinoy Sakuragi. Galit kaagad ang coach ng Binyan sa ginawa ni Pingris. Frustrated kaagad si Pinoy Sakuragi. Pinasayaw ng player na to ang depensa ng Binyan sabay bitaw ng clutch 3 points. Buhat mode naman itong si Vince Magbuhos. Talo na, nanalo pa. So ito mga bossing, Game 5 ng South Division Final sa MPBL. Binyan Laguna kontra sa Quezon. Panoorin natin ang mga highlights ng laban.
The other forward, number 41, Joshua Yero. Coming in at center, number 24, RJ Minerva. Point guard, number 13, LJ Gonzalez. Also at guard, number 1, your very own Lucinahin from Barangay.
2 minutes into the game na nagkaroon ng first basket in that particular game. This has been the trend in this series. Oh! Someone is down on the floor and it's RJ Minerva. A minute and 14 seconds in.
We gotta check the replay there for any second motion.
Skip pass papunta kay Joshua Yero. He drives, lays it up and in for the first field goal of the Huskers. Yero nagbigay ng pick. Wakorba in front of Gonzalez. 8 seconds left on their shot clock. LJ goes up for 3. Backs it in! Bonifacio at the elbow. Back to Carlo. Lasquinosa rejected. Gets it back. Floats it up. Puts it in. Plus a foul. How about that? The composure. May balita muna tayo kay Gianna Lianes.
If there's anything that the Binyan Tatak Jelbies had to sharpen daw before today's game, Coach Boy, you guys.
Maraming salamat, G. 8 out of 19 yung Binyan at the line in their last game. As you see, Gimpayan score plus a
Points at any point at the basketball game, but Binyan's characteristic these playoffs is...
And I think Andre Quezon has already found out that you cannot put this Binyan squad away in one fell swoop. As you see, Pamboy Raimundo fill in a free. And it's
definitely very successful for Binyan.
kumbaga pick your poison eh. If you're Binyan. 18-16. Subido is joined by JJ Pido, Cam Lopez, Jason Ballesteros, and Mike Maestre. Lopez settles for a free bucket.
Bam Bam instant.
Bonifacio paling kay Kenny Roacorva. Drives right. Almost lost it. 3 segundo sa shot clock. Pambo Raimundo bails out Binyan with a free.
Another shoot. Similar story here.
Shot fake from Magbuhos. He drives. The strong finish from Vince Magbuhos. Counted.
Quezon doing a great job here. Just staying in this ball game.
Despite LJ Gonzalez not playing for the entire second period, but Mark Pingris gives Binyan
To defy their destiny. Yeah, what a beautiful game story we have here today.
Tagle, turnaround shot over Pambo Raimundo.
Shout out to Rain Lustre. Ingat kayo dyan, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for supporting and watching the MPBL.
Kenny Roacorva nails a free from the top of the key of a tie 30-22.
The first 3 points here by Kenny Roger Roacorva. Quezon's been doing a great job negating his offense.
Pinawi naman agad ni Vince Magbuhos for Quezon.
And that's the luck.
And again, the big story for Quezon was LJ Gonzalez not playing the entire his mark here.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Had 10 points in game number 4, buoyed by those couple of frees back in the first period. Magbuhos, he is feeling it right now. Vince Magbuhos with another free.
What a game here so far.
And it has helped them establish this lead.
Yeah, that's the reason they got this lead here.
Kanina pa libre yan, and they finally score on that side. They take the lead, 35-34. Tingnan natin. yun ang pangyari because he did not play the entire second quarter here. Oh! Roa Curva nakalusot and laying it up and in for his 5th point.
What a Euro step there for Rocafurva.
Santagon grabs it. Pagaran. They still can't take the lead here. Talking about the Huskers. But they get the ball back. Backdoor. Pagaran lays it in. Nice pass from Gabbanan up top.
Second quarter win very early on. Both teams are in the penalty. Itong quarter to, Quezon especially doing a great job playing real hard and honest defense.
The leaner from Kenny Roacorva is good. He's up now. Time winding down in the 3rd. Gonzalez sizing up Raimundo. LJ step back free. It's good! To beat the buzzer! At the last second, dishing it out. Roacorva lost the basketball. Turnover against Binyan. Christian Pagaran, LJ Gonzalez, Joseph Cabayni, Vince Magbuhos, and Joshua Yero! Binitbit the LJ to lay it up in it. Man on a mission here. LJ Gonzalez. Pocket pass, Cabayni! Puts it in! Nice setup in the first half. You
Yeah.
pointed that out, Andre.
Yeah, it's what they've been clinging on to.
Big shot from Renzo Subido. Kakapasok lang for Binyan. And he cuts it down. Staring at an 8-point deficit. Mark Pingris. Posting up Cabayni. Hook shot. Doesn't roll in. Al Tamsi with a rebound. And we are entering the last 2 minutes. The switch. 5 on their shot clock. Gonzalez, the floater is good! LJ Gonzalez getting past Renzo Zubido, putting it in as the Quezon crowd goes into a frenzy. Off. Rebound Roacorva. Back out to Pamboy. Lastimosa hits a free. Big time shot. Mark Pingris perhaps could be his final game. Mayor Jel Alonte and his squad along with Boss Bonching Talisayon. Like you said, the run, the Cinderella run that Binyan had this postseason after losing out in the first round as a higher seed at that against the South Cotabato Warriors. Now they have